What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I want to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk about a good marketing system for MCA. So a lot of people, they come in, they're really confused, and I wanted to kind of help you out as far as where to get going. If you're looking for a good marketing system, or if you're looking to generate leads into your MCA business. So this is strictly going to be if you have a budget as well. So if you're looking for something free, as far as freebie seekers, this is not going to be the video for you. I do have other things for that, but as of right now, we're not going to be speaking about that regarding this video. You can see some of the links that I have open right up on my screen here. It's 1:17 a.m. in the morning right now, which I'm doing to shoot a video. Everybody in the house right now is asleep, so I want to shoot a video right now. Alright, so I wanted to talk to you guys about sales funnels and how they really pretty much work for you. So for you guys that are not familiar here, and this might be strictly for a new person, I just want to kind of show you how I actually utilize my MCA business and how I have it on autopilot. So as you can see here, I use a capture page. A capture page is what allows me to pretty much gather all the information. So before anyone could either view my business page, they have to enter in their information first. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take us through my sales funnel so you can see exactly how I have this set up. And if you were to join me in either one of these businesses today, I will give you the code to this particular page so you can have the same exact page here with me as well. I have different pages that I do have set up, but this is just one that I do utilize for this particular one that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So right now, this is the first page that you're going to actually have on your system, which is called a capture page. The capture page is going to pretty much allow you to remarket to them, build a relationship with them, just to be able to reach back out. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of enter my information here, and I'm going to pause this here. Alright, so I'm going to start this video. So pretty much here on this video here, once you enter your email, it takes you to this page. What this page is called is pretty much a bridge page. And what I'm doing is I'm actually introducing myself, explaining, giving just kind of a quick presentation to MCA, showing what MCA has done for me and making pretty much working online has done for me. So I'm just shooting a quick video on that end, and you can actually shoot a video as well. You can change this out. I even have a kind of just a general bridge page setting where there's a top earner of MCA, just kind of breaking it down. So if you are camera shy, you can utilize that particular video that I have already made for you. So I still got you set up, and this is only if you don't want to utilize my video. So I encourage you to use your own, brand yourself, build your own identity if you're going to be in this particular business. Alright, so once you decide that you want to join, here it's going to say click here to learn more. So once you decide that you want to join, it's going to take you to my MCA Authority page. So MCA Authority is an actual one-time payment, and it breaks everything down about MCA. So it gives you all the information here from when MCA started, what about MCA, how you can make money with it. It even has testimonial videos. So guys, this system right here, this is, as you can see, it's a full sales funnel. See, I took you from the beginning of the page to the capture to the actual bridge page. Then I took you into the sales page. So the sales page is pretty much just what's going to allow them to get started and get the same exact thing. Now, if you may be wondering, if you may be thinking, these are two marketing systems, okay? This same exact marketing system has capture pages as well, just like I ran you through with the Conversion Pros. Now the only difference is that my capture page is made with the Conversion Pros, and I'm able to make different capture pages. And as I scroll over here, you see where this is going to be very important to us right now. The autoresponder. When I entered in my email right there, that allows me to send messages and build relationships with my leads, even text messages. So these three things right here is like relationship builders, is what you want to look at. Okay, so what I do instead of me, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pause this again, I'm going to log in. Okay, so guys, I'm logged in. So if you wanted to just pretty much only have MCA, only wanted to market MCA, you didn't want to market anything else, then this is exactly what, pretty much here that you would utilize. The reason I say you can utilize this one because it's two websites. There's going to be a website that promote the benefits, and there's going to be a website that promote the opportunity side. So depending on how you're marketing, then that's going to determine the links that you want to utilize. Okay, now as I showed you guys over here on the other side, there was an autoresponder. Now if you look over here, it'll say get an autoresponder. Now if you're going to be using MCA Authority, you can only promote MCA. Okay, nothing else. So everything is going to be directly for MCA with MCA Authority marketing system. Now I don't utilize I don't utilize anything else outside of this. Okay, only the sales page, which is the video that I showed you guys, the information I showed you. That's the only thing that I utilize. I send all my leads through the conversion pros, and the reason that I do it that way, because if I want to market TCP, if I want to market any other program outside of MCA, the conversion pros, easy one, whatever it is that I'm promoting new, I'm going to send directly through that autoresponder, so I can market anything that I want with this particular system. So this system here is only for MCA, okay? But what I'm doing, I'm using this system as far as the conversion pros to actually send all my leads through it. So before they get to this particular sales page or sales funnel, they have to go through everything, okay? They pretty much have to go through everything as far as before they can get to that page. So let me kind of go in here. Let me see here. I haven't been in the back page, so I'm gonna go to training, okay? Because I want to show you guys something, or actually leads here. But if you were to use the system here, okay, this is going to give you everything here: text messaging strategy, video marketing, posting on Facebook, personal development. It's going to give you its own training back there, okay? Now this is where we talk, where a lot of people want leads. Now if you see this over here, you see this, guys? Same thing over here, because you can go right up here and you can order leads. So that's what I wanted to kind of show people that was very unique about this system, about why I use them here, and how they kind of complement each other, guys. So as I'm doing here, so let me show you this again, okay? And if you don't like my message, you don't like my autoresponder, that's cool. We have landing pages already done for you for MCA, because so many people are involved in TCP with MCA. We pretty much made our own capture pages for them directly. Where they at? Motor Club, right here. So as you can see right here, these are all capture pages that we have for MCA, and you can just go and copy them, which there's training that we show you guys how to do as far as that, which is in the system training. So we're going to show you how to pretty much utilize the system, the fast start, kind of tell you what to do first, pages pre-built, everything. If you don't know how to market, we're going to give you a brief training. These are all over the shoulder trainings as well. So strictly for everyone looking to kind of build their whole marketing business there and get that going. So that's real cleaned up right there. Okay, so pretty slick, man. Pretty slick system there. Pretty slick. Alright, now let me kind of go back here. Okay, so if you're going to use MCA, the MCA Authority system, it is a one-time payment of $47 per month there. Okay, now from there, it is every year that you do have to make your payment. I only utilize this system is for my sales page. That is completely it. That is it. Now if you do decide to use the system and you tell everybody else about the system, they're going to pay you $23.50 a referral commission for each person that you do refer. So you do earn a secondary income. So you want to look at it as that if you bring someone in MCA, pretty much here you're going to get that secondary income as well for the marketing system that you can get as well when they come in. So it's a whole system. So you want them to get the marketing system and MCA, because you can't have MCA. Well, you can have MCA, but it's going to be very difficult for you to market and promote that business just without a marketing system. Okay, so the autoresponder, pretty much if you were to utilize this system, they already have messages already set up for you. You can utilize these and copy them or whatever you want to utilize if you're using the outsource. Now, if you're going to be using another autoresponder, you will be paying a monthly fee outside of this. So you'll be paying a recurring monthly fee for whatever autoresponder you decide to use. However, I don't do that. I use the conversion pros. So I already have a autoresponder series set up for you. So when you join me in the Conversion Pros, I'm going to give you a message follow-up series as well that you can just copy the page. I'm going to give you the training on how to do this, and it's just going to pretty much go in the back office. It's going to all copy to your back office, and you just need to go in and change your links out. Okay? So that way, you got everything. You see how many more tools that you have over here as opposed to what you do have over here. See, this is just kind of some basic things that kind of help you get going with MCA. Really, showing how you can really utilize your system and everything you would need with the company itself. Okay, so buying leads, buying traffic, tracking tools, importing links and numbers. It's just kind of giving you a whole overview, guys. So with TCP, it is a monthly charge of $50 per month. Now you can definitely put your credit card away because we don't need your credit card. You can try it out for 7 days free if you definitely want to utilize TCP. Okay. Now this is going to be everything for you because anyone could jump in, and as I showed you, we have different landing pages already for you, already pre-built. So this goes for any company that you could be in: weight loss, nutrition, travel, coffee, makeup, whatever company that you're in, you could utilize the Conversion Pros as opposed to MCA. It's only MCA. So what I do, I utilize my capture pages, I utilize my autoresponder, everything, even the pre-built. Let me go back here. Let me go back to that page. Let me see here. It should take me back. So even my my bridge page, it's all TCP. So that's what I want you guys to see, is that everything mainly was with TCP. Okay, so this was done, as you can see, with the Conversion Pros. The bridge page is the Conversion Pros. You see, it's the MCA Authority bridge, and then it goes into MCA. You see how that's done? That's a full sales funnel that walks you through. And if they don't join, I have a message follow-up series that is going to continue to follow up with you and build a relationship with you. Okay? And also, if you don't have leads, if you want to go and order leads with us as well, because this is like an added extra thing that you can get with us, you can definitely go in the back office and purchase leads, and those leads are going to go directly to your autoresponder. See, that's why I mentioned you can use Aweber and GetResponse, but those are monthly payments, and you can use those with MCA Authority, but you're going to pay monthly for those particular marketing systems. So why pay for for that particular autoresponder? Why pay for just a single autoresponder that doesn't give you the same amount of tools that you're going to get over here, where you can have unlimited leads, unlimited messages that you can send out? Okay, so over here, if you wanted to do TCP leads, you can say, all right, if I wanted to just promote TCP, I can go here, I can buy leads over here, any one of those leads. So generic biz out, $50 here. If you want to go live interview leads, they get a little higher. But let's just say I wanted to do MCA, right? So my own personal campaign, interview leads, and then let's say I want to do MCA Authority. So they're going to get all my MCA Authority messages. Okay, so if I buy 50 leads, those 50 leads are going to get all of my messages there. I'm going to be able to reach out to them, send them emails, send them text messages, whatever it is that I decided I want to do, I'm going to be able to send to them. So that's what allows me to build my system and run it all on autopilot with this particular system. So I just want to show you guys exactly how I'm utilizing the Conversion Pros along with MCA Authority. So I'm going to leave both of the links down there at the bottom where you can utilize the system here. I'm actually just going to leave the whole funnel down there so you can go through it. You decide you want to use MCA Authority, it's going to show you where you can purchase it. If you want to decide you wanted to use TCP, I'm going to have a link right at the bottom as well, guys. But just to show you here, it is what it is. It's still moving. Everything is going. You're definitely going to need it for your business. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.